Well, the home delivered ready meals category has grown very quickly, and St. Louis startup SareFood.com connects local chefs with the home market with completely pre prepared meals made to order the day of the delivery. And joining us today is Chef Tony Valenti and Sare Food spokesperson Angela Sharp. We welcome you both to Great Day St. Louis.
Hey, thanks for having us.
Angela, with this stay-at-home mandate that we've had, I imagine there's an increased demand for doorstep delivery of these pre-prepared foods.
Oh, absolutely. At first it was kind of one of those ways to help families that were super busy, but now that we're all kind of stuck inside, it's a nice way to kind of try different cuisines and kind of like having your own personal chef. You can ask for what you want and then they can just be delivered to your door, taking a little bit of the stress off of this situation.
Chef Tony, can you explain to us exactly what a pre-prepared ready meal is?
We have, maybe 50 different entrees ready to go home, and all you do is microwave them or heat them up in the oven, but they're fully cooked and well prepared by all the chefs at Sare Foods.
Now, Angela, is there a subscription required, or is there a minimum number of meal orders?
So no, there's no subscription. This is kind of one of the best aspects of this thing. Different chefs have different price points that they want you to meet in order to get the food and for you. But usually that can be done with, maybe 2 meals and a salad, or if you have a small family, that'll take care of that minimum requirement. But there's no subscription base. So you can try this, see how much you love it, and then you're going to want to schedule your food for weeks in advance.
Now, SareFood.com, have you had to make any adjustments on how you prepare and deliver the food? These are very unsettled times, and I imagine the food's going out not only to homes but to offices as well. Have you had to make adjustments to that?
We're putting everything in sealed containers, and then the sealed containers are put in boxes with proper ice, and then the delivery drivers are sealing up that container and delivering it fully sealed.
Tell us how we order.
You go to sarefood.com. You can scroll through all the different chefs that are up there. You can find the one that you like the best. And even if you have some certain requirements, you can even communicate with that chef. So if you're keto or gluten-free or whatever, you can kind of talk that out. You just don't like mushrooms. You can have that conversation, and then you can just place your order and it can be delivered. And obviously we're doing a no contact delivery now as well to kind of fit the times that we're in. So you'll schedule, we deliver on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You'll schedule the time within probably about an hour. We'll give you a call. It'll be left right there on your doorstep, and then you can just go grab it.
Perhaps the best news of all is that they're putting local chefs to work. So if you're interested in being a chef, or if you want to order online, visit Sare Food, SARE Food.com. And don't forget to enter a 10% discount. The discount code is KMOV.